How's it going, guys? Stefan is here and you're watching SYG Tech. So now it's ready to unbox this microphone which I received last week, a couple of weeks ago. And it's time to unbox this microphone which has been sent to me. So let's unbox it now and let's see what was the microphone. I give you a hint in the last video. So I mentioned that this microphone is hybrid. So you can use it with USB and XLR, or in the same time you can use both ports in the same time. So this is interesting. So drum rolls, let's unbox it now. Let's see. That's a very big box for this microphone. Ready? So this is the Maono AU HD300T. So this microphone comes with everything that you need to start your podcast, YouTube, even gaming channel, everything, because this is a XLR and USB microphone. Comes with a desktop stand, which is very good. Also comes with a pop filter, shock mount system, USB cable and XLR cable. So basically, yeah, everything is in the box. So let's unbox it. Let's see now. Let's see, because I'm very curious to see how this will look like. Okay, so now let's see what comes in the box. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is to open the microphone and see this capsule. So if there's any people who knows about capsule, please let me know in the comments down below. And now let's talk about the build quality of the microphone. No complaints whatsoever. The build quality is excellent. So the microphone has few physical buttons on the side, plus and minus, and switch off a button, and LED light indicates when the microphone is on. Overall, the build quality is great. So under the microphone, you're gonna find a XLR port, Type-C port, and 3.5mm headphone jack for zero latency monitoring as well. And now let's see what else comes in the box. We have the XLR to XLR cable, 3 meter long, which is pretty decent in my opinion. Also, we have a Type-C to Type-A cable. This is about 2.5 meters, which in my opinion is pretty good as well, very good quality. And now also let's see what else we have here. So we have the desktop base with the stand, which in my opinion looks very good, no complaints about that. We have the pop filter, which I do like a lot actually. It's small and it's very decent in my opinion. Also, we have the shock mount system, which is pretty good. Also, it's pretty easy to install in my opinion. Very good in my opinion. Very good shock mount. Overall, you get pretty much that you need to start your podcast, YouTube. And also, don't forget the user manual as well. Hello folks, now you're listening to the Maono AU HD300T. So this is the microphone. So the microphone is connected to my Mac directly. So I'm using the USB now. So I'm gonna switch between XLR and USB just to have idea what is the sound situation, if there's any difference between the USB and XLR. So let me know, what do you think? This microphone actually retails for $60 to $65. Here in UK retails for around £65. So this is a very good competitor microphone to the Samson Q2U, and I think they're both nice. But this one just is being released a couple of weeks ago, months. So I was looking to buy this microphone 5 months ago, but was not available in UK. So now this is available. But thanks to Maono for sending this microphone for review. This is not a sponsored video, just to let you know. They just asked me if I want to review this microphone. So I said yes, because I was looking for this microphone. So let's do some tests right now. So this is the USB mode. Also, the microphone has a built-in 3.5mm headphone jack for zero latency monitoring. So this is a very good plus as well. We have plus and minus button on the microphone for the playback, so we can put the volume up and down, and we have a switch off and on if you want to use this microphone for mute button. Let's demonstrate that. So I will actually accidentally I switch it off, so at least we can have idea. So let's do some tests right now. So I'm gonna spin the microphone just to have idea which is the sound rejection. Personally, I think that the dynamic microphones, they're making amazing job reducing the sound. So I'm gonna spin the microphone right now. So this is about 90 degrees. So at least we can have idea if there's any noise. I'm watching the PC, the mic to see if there's any difference with the sound. So this is a back of the microphone, so we can have idea. And this is the other side of the microphone, and this is the front of the microphone. So at least personally, I think you can have idea if this sounds pretty good. But I think the microphone rejects a very good noise, especially behind the microphone. So if you have any stuff behind you, let's say a fan or keyboard, this is gonna be okay because you don't need treated room like many people. This is an untreated room right now where I'm speaking at the moment. So yeah, you can have an idea. So let's switch now to XLR mode just to have idea what is the difference. And now let's get back to XLR modes again, once again. So let's see if there's any difference between USB and XLR. So now we're listening the MAONO AU HD300T. That's such a lovely long name. So this is the XLR mode connected to my SSL2 solid state logic. Like I mentioned, the sound, the volume of my solid state logic is 3 o'clock. So we have a very good levels, very good healthy levels. Let's switch back to USB mode now. Hello again. So this is the MAONO AU HD connected to my Mac. This is the USB mode. So let me know, what do you think? There's any difference with the tone, with the sound? Personally, I think there's a maybe small difference. I think with the USB mode, the microphone actually doesn't sound so rich. I believe, I don't know if you agree with me, but I think with the XLR sounds much present. So let's do another test right now. Alright, so now you're listening the MAONO AU HD300T connected to my SSL2 solid state logic. So this is the XLR option. So this is the XLR connected directly to my solid state logic. I have very decent levels of sound. -12. This is, I think, the healthy spot to be when you record. And let me know, what do you think? There's any difference between the XLR and USB? There's any difference with the sound? You are the judge, so let me know, what do you think? And now let's get back to USB mode. Okay, so let's try some plosives with MAONO AU HD300. Please bring pizza pronto. I'm gonna use the provided pop filter that came in the box. Please bring pizza pronto. Please bring pizza pronto. Please bring pizza pronto. So as you can see, the pop filter actually is working, and actually I do like it. It's very good in my opinion. It's not like the cheapest one that comes in any box, but overall the pop filter is very nice. So again, if you don't want to have plosives, don't talk directly to the microphone. Make sure the microphone is pointing like this, and now you can have much better sound without plosives. So once again, don't talk straight to the microphone like this. Otherwise, you're gonna have problems with the plosive, as you can hear, and just talk like this, the side of your mouth, and now you can have much better sound. And if you're bad with the plosives, if you don't want to use the pop filter, this is the better way to do it. So overall, this microphone actually, I don't know, I do like how it sounds on USB, but personally I think sounds much better on XLR. So, but let me know, what do you think? I just wanna hear your voice. Let me know, leave a comment, and let me know, what do you think? But personally, I'm a fan, and I'm gonna use this microphone. So from now on, this is gonna be my main microphone. So from my next videos, this is the microphone that I'm going to use because I like it. It's a versatile, it's easy to use, and yeah, personally I think it's a very decent microphone. But let me know, what do you think? Leave a comment. You agree with me? For $65 you get pretty much anything you need to start your YouTube channel, podcast, gaming, and so on. Even for voiceovers, I think it's a very good microphone. So once again, thank you very much, Maono, for sending this microphone for review. And yeah, let me know, what do you think? If you enjoyed today's video, give a like. If you want to see more, subscribe. Why not? Turn on your bell notification as well when I upload new videos. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.